Hi dear students, in this video we are going to study about circumference and the area of the circle. There is a formula for the circumference 2 pi r, and formula is written here. Circumference means also perimeter of the circle. We can say the perimeter here. When we start from the point, rotate around the circle, we will get the distance, or if we cut from here and if we open and if we measure that one, we are going to see that it's going to be 2 pi r length, and pi, we know that it's approximately 3.14. It's a coefficient. So if you want to find the perimeter of the circle, only you need the radius of the circle, and it is similar to for the area also. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square, and here I showed also this video. We are going to, during the lesson also, we are going to watch this video. It is geometric proof of the y. It is pi r square, and here only the thing that you need to know, again, r, then you can easily find the area of the circle. Here I'm going to solve the questions, and I'm going to calculate the circumference of the circle by using the radius. Radius, it is given in this question 3. So circumference, if it is 2 pi r, which means 2 times pi times r, which is equal to 2 times pi times 3 it should be, and it's equal to 6 pi centimeter. 6 pi centimeter means this is 6 times pi, which means approximately, if it is 3.14, if we accept, 6 times it is, and what it's going to be here, 18.84 approximately. 18.84 it's going to be, but we are not converting to 3 point. We are not doing like this 6 times 3.14. Then it's equal to here 18.84. We are not doing these operations like this here. Okay, as much as possible we are keeping the pi as a pi, which is 3.14, and we are going to finish our operation here like this. It's going to be similar in the area also. Area is equal to pi r square. Area is equal to, here it is 3 pi times 3 square. Area is equal to pi times 9 it has to be. And again I'm repeating here, area, it should be equal to pi times 3.14. 3.14 times 9 it has to be, but we are not going to do the operation like that. What we are going to do here, we are going to say, we are going to keep the pi as pi, and we are not going to multiply this one here, and the answer come up only, area is equal to 9 pi centimeter square it has to be. Okay, let's continue with some questions. If the circumference of the circle is 8 pi centimeter, calculate the radius, which means that here it is given the formula, circumference formula 2 pi r, you know that one. So this is equal to 8 pi, it is given, which is equal to 2 times pi times r. Yes, till this part everything is okay. And then we are going to simplify the pi from both sides, because when there is a multiplication like this, you can simplify the numbers from both sides, like you're dividing both sides by the same number, this one and this one. It's going to be simplified, and we are going to find like this. 8 is equal to 2r. Actually, this should be with the same color here. 8 is equal to 2r. Then 8 over 2 is equal to r. And 4, it has to be equal to r. So when we find the r, we can find the area, because the second part of the question is area. Area is equal to pi r square. So area is equal to pi times 4 square. area is equal to, for square, you know, it's 16, pi times 16, and the answer is 16 pi centimeter square. It should be, I forgot here, 4 centimeter is the R, it has to be also. Okay, one more exercise I'm going to solve and I'm going to finish the video. Here we have some shapes and geometric, it is not circle, complete circle, but we can solve this kind of questions also in the exam. So we are going to continue here. We are going to find the perimeter, which is circumference also. Circumference of the circle, half circle, let's say here. And we are going to find the area of the half circle. I'm going to solve only question B here. For the B, circumference is B. Circumference is, here we have two parts. The half circle, we should understand that one also here. We have half circle and plus one line segment. I'm going to show with different colors that one. And I'm going to add them. Circumference over 2, half circle. It's going to be circumference over 2 plus the diameter, actually it is, and plus 6 is the perimeter of the figure. It has to be. This is the perimeter of the figure. Okay, what it is? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, it has to be, over 2 plus 6, it should be, again. And here I forgot to tell you that since it is 6, the length of the diameter, we know this is diameter. Diameter is double of the diameter is the double of the radius, which means that D is equal to 2r. You know this one before. So r is equal to 6 over 2, which is equal to 3 here. We need to know that one also. Okay. If we found the r, then it's going to be equal to 2 times, by the way, in the question also it is written use pi 3, which means that instead of pi I'm going to write 3. R I found it's equal to 3 also, divided by 2 plus 6 it has to be. Then it's going to be equal to 2 times 3 over 2, 18 over 2 plus 6, which is equal to 9 plus 6. It means it's equal to 15. The millimeter unit is millimeter, so it's going to be 15 millimeter. And the area of the B, area of the semicircle, it's more easier than this one because we don't have the length of the sides. Area is area of the circle divided by 2, because this is half area, which is equal to pi times r square over 2, which is equal to 3 times 3 square over 2. That's equal to 3 times 3 square. It is 3 times 9 divided by 2, 27 over 2. I'm going to put the unit now, millimeter square. As I mentioned in previous videos, there's no need to convert this one to decimal. We are going to keep like this.